If you're a really big guy, yeah, you know who you are, they're making them big these days. You might need a little bit of extra length on the butt end of your crossbow to be really comfortable with it. Well, we've got the answer for you. It's called an extender. And what it is a simple system to add a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, or a full inch to the butt length on your crossbow and make you more comfortable with it. The extender simply clamps in place. There are 2 clamp pieces. The 2 clamp pieces fit against the butt of the bow. They fit very tightly into the contours there. You take your butt section, that's your extender for your length, and put it in position. Then there are 2 holes that go through, and screw the 2 pieces together and clamp the extension in place. Put the screw in place, tighten it down, and you're ready to go. Now if you try one length and you find it's a little too long or too short, just grab the other one and put it on. Experiment until you're comfortable, and I know it'll help you enjoy your crossbow even more as years go by. One thing to remember is that every crossbow that we made before 2007 used a slightly different mold for the stock. And none of those bows are going to be usable for the new extender. So if you've got one of the older bows, your only hope to use an extender would be to buy a whole new stock for it. The way you identify the bows that the extender works on, you simply look for the 5 diagonal stripes. When you see the 5 diagonal stripes on your stock, you know the extender is a possibility for you. The only exception to that is the Vixen 2, which is our shorter bow, and it can be extended. Say if you have a younger fellow who's shooting the Vixen 2 and he's growing and you want it to fit him as he grows, get an extender, clamp it on, and it'll do the job for him.